Hello everybody, we are back again. We're in Queen Creek today checking out some model homes that will be available to you as the buyers here in the area. So we are now at Taylor Morrison. We're taking a look at the Harlow floor plan right now. This one is 1960 square feet, four bedrooms and 2.5 baths with an optional 5th bedroom and 3rd bath. So keep that in mind as we go through this floor plan here. So here's your kitchen. We're just gonna get right into it. And here are the kitchen. And again, these are just, what you're gonna see in these homes as far as the cabinet colors and cabinet styles and floors and things are concerned. And we kind of just want to get you a feel of what the floor plan actually looks like. So again, here we go. We are in the living room area of this home. That's your living room there. So you've got an open floor plan here. It goes directly into the dining area and then back into the kitchen, which you'll see over there. And you can see how far back the living room is from the front door, so you got a nice space there. What I like about this floor plan so far is when you come in to the home, the first thing you see is this open flex space, which I would assume would be that possible 5th bedroom if you needed it. But I love how it's open. That allows you to have like a receiving area, or as you can see, this is like a little homeschool children area up to the front, where then you can actually entertain guests in the back, and the children are still within an earshot of you and your guests. So as we go back to the left, we've got the utility room here, and it does have these cool looking floors with a sink here. Out that door is going to be your garage. This is the sales office in this model here, but that's the garage out there, which is a 2-car garage. And here's bedroom number 1. So in bedroom number 1, we have a full-size bed, enough space that allows for nightstands on both sides. The closet is already kind of built out, so it's not bad for an extra room as far as the space in the closet is concerned. And then as you can see, here is where you would put like a television or not in this particular room. And then that's about how much space you have between the two. It's kind of a narrow dresser, but still, narrow table, but you can kind of get an idea where you can walk around and it's not like you're going to bump into things in there, which is kind of cool. So here's bedroom number 2. Same thing, but they just switched it around a little bit. You got a bigger nightstand over to the, dresser actually over to the opposite side of the bed there. Still space enough for a nightstand with space between there and the wall. And then same kind of closet in here. So there's a closet in this one. So this one, if you had to put an extra, you can do like a tall dresser here if you need to, and then maybe put a television on top if you wanted to do that. Again, televisions in bedrooms, I don't know if that's a thing anymore, but then you still have that space over there if you wanted to use that space for a television, and then put the bed over here. So you've got different ways you can make this room work if you needed to. Here's the bathroom, the front bathroom also. Oh, I didn't even know that was going to happen. So this front bathroom actually goes into the other side of the house. So what we're going to do here, there's a door that goes to the other side of the house. So this is going to be your best guest bathroom, but we're going to swing back around and go back out the way we came so we don't lose you in the house. So, standard fixtures, but fancy enough that it looks very nice, very classy. And then they got the gray, not dresser, but the gray drawers in here. So we're going to pop back out. And we're going to go back to, there's the kitchen. We take a left from the kitchen. And then we're going to swing around to bedroom number 3. So here's the bathroom that we saw, that door. And then here's the 3rd bedroom over here, which is a nursery in this house. But you can see it's a good sized bedroom to where you can still kind of maneuver in it, which is what I like. Now this one has the bigger closet of the 3 bedrooms. So you're giving up a little bit of space in the bedroom for the bigger closet. So that is something to keep in mind with the 3rd bedroom. And then as you come out of the 3rd bedroom, you go down a small hall, and here is the master. Or primary, whatever you guys are calling it now. Okay, so here's what we've got in the master. From here, you actually have a door that takes you out to your patio area. So you can go out through your bedroom or through the front, whichever you choose. And then here's the bathroom. That is a nice tub. It's nice and wide and not too deep. I prefer the wider tubs with like a little more shallow. There's the shower there. That is actually a linen closet, and then your water closet is actually back over in the corner. And then here, my favorite part of any house is the master closet. I can do this. See, this is equal on both sides, which I like, which means you get yours and I get mine, and never the two shall meet. Love it. And same kind of cabinetry in the bathroom as the front bathroom, and then same kind of faucets as well. All right, let's head out of the master. And we're gonna go back into the living room, and then we'll go out and swing around this corner. And then here is what your backyard potentially could look like. Of course, this is how this house is done. You can do yours however you want. You got a small patio, which is still functionable. You can put a nice table here and be able to have very good entertainment. There's also a second pergola. I think that's what that thing called back over here, which I like that. And then if you swing around here, there's a putting green, which is kind of cool. All right, so this one is just under $400,000 as this model stands. So if you're looking for something 4 bedrooms under $4,000, give me a call. We got something for you. 623-207-7146. You guys have a great day. Bye.